Freezing cold across the area today with temperatures staying in the low 30s, and we're going to take another 10 degrees or more off of those high temperatures heading into the weekend. Some bitterly cold air is coming our way. We only made it to 32 at BWI this afternoon after a morning low of 16 degrees, and temperatures are in the 20s and low 30s now. Very cold conditions are coming our way, so this is mild compared to what we're headed for Saturday and Sunday, but 24 in Westminster, 27 in Clarksville, and 30 over at Still Pond, which means the light snow showers we see coming through could create a little light dusting of snow and some slippery spots this evening as these snow showers pass through on the cold conditions across the area. But two fronts are on their way. The first front triggering the snow showers now, the Arctic front right behind it sweeping through late tonight, early tomorrow morning. Some frigid air coming in straight out of the North Pole through the Great Lakes and into the Northeast, and we'll be deep into that Arctic air on strong northerly winds as we head into Saturday afternoon. So Futurecast picks up on the flurries and snow showers continuing through the early evening and maybe even a flurry or two as we head past midnight and into early tomorrow morning. But the emphasis tomorrow won't really be on the snow. It'll be on these cold temperatures, even getting colder through the day. Probably going to have the warmest part of the day before sunrise, and then temperatures will fall. The winds will kick in, and with temperatures only in the low to mid teens, when you factor in steady winds of 20-25 miles an hour and stronger gusts of 40 to 50 miles an hour through the afternoon, well, then you're talking about some dangerous wind chills. 10 or more below zero is what it'll feel like for a good chunk of the day tomorrow, and 20 to almost 30 below zero in some of the colder parts of the mountain. So we are under extreme cold warnings. You don't see that much here in the central and eastern parts of the state, but the entire state pretty much covered in that dark blue for wind chills 5 to 15 below zero for a good part of the day tomorrow. If you have to be out, you certainly got to prepare. You can get frostbite really quickly in these bitter cold temperatures. High wind warnings are up for most of the state as well. Gusts tomorrow, peak wind gusts 50 to 60 miles an hour are possible during the middle part of the day and early afternoon tomorrow. So strong winds, bitter cold. It is going to be a frigid upcoming weekend. 10 to 17 late tonight, heading into tomorrow morning after that Arctic front goes by. The snow showers will mostly move out after about 10, 11 o'clock tonight. Then windy and bitterly cold tomorrow. Afternoon temperatures only in the teens, but with those winds, it's going to feel like it's below zero for most of the day. Sunshine in 27, but windy at Ocean City, 19 here in Baltimore, 19 Hagerstown, and about 7 out at McHenry. Sunday features sunshine. It'll be breezy, but not quite as windy as Saturday, so it's still going to be a very cold day, even with the sunny skies. Temperatures only in the 20s. So we've got alert weather tomorrow for the bitter cold and the high winds. Then on Sunday, sunny and cold, 24. We're still below freezing on Monday, but climb back to 40 on Tuesday and Wednesday, which could lead to a wintry mix heading toward the end of next week.